Finding that one perfect soap, especially when it comes to the face, is something that is a hustle. A lot of us tend to get different soaps and then we react in a good way or in a bad way. Some people tend to say, oh, it dries out my skin, or this is not perfect for me, it gave me this, it gave me that. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you one very great soap with a very amazing ingredient, and it is super affordable. This thing works super well on the face and you will not have any complaint. Trust me, it is tried and trusted. If it's something you're interested in, let's get right into this video. Hi beautiful trends, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Trend Laura. Welcome to the new and old subscribers. So guys, before we continue, give this video a like so that YouTube can push my videos to viewers. Thank you guys. Mwah. So yes, today I'm going to be talking about a very amazing soap that you can get. It is really affordable and it is super nice, made with the purest and beautiful ingredients. Okay, so this soap is not harsh on the skin. This soap is very good for sensitive skin, it's good for dry skin, it's good for normal, it's good for any type of skin. Okay, for all skin types. So if you're a sensitive person or your skin is sensitive and you're looking for a soap, maybe you've tried so many things and it's not working for you, why don't you try out this soap? Trust me, you're going to love it. Okay, I do not come here and then guarantee that, oh, this is good, this is, but this one, guys, this one is super amazing. It's super mild on the skin. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be talking about is the ingredient it contains. It contains rice milk. So it's a rice milk soap. Sorry, this soap is made with rice milk, okay, from jasmine rice milk. Rice milk is something, or is a very great ingredient, especially when it comes to skincare, it comes to your hair. It works very well. For hair, we use rice water. For skin, we use either rice powder, rice milk. For the skin, especially when you're making soap, you tend to add either rice milk or rice powder. But this one has been made with rice milk, jasmine rice milk. And the properties of what rice milk does is that rice milk contains really great ingredients like vitamin A, vitamin E, and then it helps to lighten the skin. It tends to remove dark spot if you're having sunburn, if you're having dark spot. Another thing too is it helps with acne, and it tends to make the skin even. So that's what rice milk is for. It's made with rice milk, and also there's a bit of goat milk in there, which is also very perfect. Another ingredient in the soap is glutathione. Glutathione has been known to eliminate melanin production from the skin. What I mean by melanin production from the skin, I'm talking about, you know, the dark layer. So that glutathione helps to eliminate it. Glutathione is also good when it comes for anti-aging. It tends to tighten the skin. It tends to make the skin look supple. It tends to make the skin look, you know, like I don't know how to explain it. Excuse me. And then it also helps to even out the skin tone. It helps to protect the skin from the sun, helps to protect the skin from UV damage. Another ingredient that they use in making this is collagen. And collagen is super amazing when it comes to skin. I've talked about collagen on this channel for a very long time. What collagen does is it helps with anti-aging, it helps to tighten the skin, it helps to make your skin look very young. Okay, collagen is something that makes your skin look very, you make you look really young, make your skin look supple, tightens, you know, the skin elasticity, like your skin will not be sagging and all that. It makes your skin looks really soft, healthy, and it removes roughness from the skin. So these are the ingredients that this soap has. So this soap is very mild. It does not irritate the skin. It does not irritate the skin at all. It is super amazing. What you want to do is put it on your face. Like what I always do is I put it on my face, I wash it off, okay, and then I damp my face, and then I apply it again, massage it in for 2 minutes or a minute, and leave it to sit for 2 to 3 minutes, and then I wash it off. This soap alone is super. I've been using it for like 3 days and I've been seeing results. And it is a Thailand product, and we all know that Thailand products are super amazing. Okay, I think it is also made with rose petals. I don't know what is inside, but this is the one I've opened here. And first of all, let me tell you guys the name of the soap. The name of the soap is called sorry, it's called rice milk soap. So I'm putting the pictures for you guys to see. So then it comes with these things in there. I really don't know what those things are, but then it comes with those things in there, and this is how it looks, how the back looks like. um, if it's a soap you've used before, leave your comment down below, tell me your experience using it. It is, for me, it is amazing. I have no complaint, because trust me, I've used so many soap. I struggle with some using soap for my face. It's either it works and then it start giving me problem, or I start having problems immediately. I experience dryness and all that. But with this soap, no, you're not going to experience dryness. It's not going to dry your skin. This soap tends to glow the skin, tends to brighten the skin, tends to help with if you're having red face, if you're having spots and sunburn, it tends to reduce everything because of the good ingredients that this product has in it. So I will leave a picture for you guys to see. It is super cheap. I saw it on Jumia for 2000 something, but we got this 700 naira because the person is doing a promo, and we are so lucky to even get it because it was done. People tend to buy this soap a whole lot. That's how you know that this soap is really really perfect. They tend to buy it a whole lot, and it's small. You can use it. It's not just for the face, you can also use it for the body as well. One very good thing I like about this soap is that this soap tends to foam a lot, so you don't need much. You don't need, oh my god, I'm so sorry guys, you don't need much, you just need little, and little goes a long way. This soap foams very well. I would love to use this soap to pro-mix, because I know that this soap is going to be super amazing if you pro-mix it, but you don't even need to pro-mix this soap. This soap on its own is amazing, but sometimes you just like to play around with soap to see how it is. So that's what I'm thinking about pro-mixing and all that. But this soap is super super amazing. So we got it 700 naira because it's a promo price. And when I saw this soap, I was like, yeah, I've seen this soap on AliExpress, so many times. I don't know if people have gotten from AliExpress or people are buying from AliExpress or Alibaba. You understand? But yeah, this one is from Thailand. I don't know what the AliExpress one is because I really did not concentrate on it. But yeah, try this soap if you're having skin issues, if your skin is very sensitive, if your skin is dry, if your skin is normal, if your skin is oily. This soap is very good if you're dealing with spots, acne, and sunburns, red face and all that. You should try out this soap. It is really good. I do not give recommendation, but yeah, I'm doing this because it has really great ingredients and it's something that I've tried. And for someone like me that my skin tends to react to things, this soap is very very good. Okay, I've not seen any reaction, and I just use the soap and vitamin C serum and aloe vera around my eyes. That's just all I use. I have products, but I'm someone that don't know how to use products. Okay, I've shown you guys more of my skin, my night skincare routine, and I did that because it was just catching me then. You understand? Oh, new product, I have to test it out and all that. I'm not someone that I'm big on new products. Even when I say, oh, do this product, I'm not that kind of person. I might forget. I will just go to the bathroom, take my bath, and come out, and that's it. It's wrong. I'm supposed to be taking care of my skin very well, but I tend to forget. But for this one, I like soap. I love soap very well. I love this soap, and it's something I'm going to continue using. At least I found something that is suitable for my skin, and it's for all skin type, like I said. So it's going, if it's suitable for your skin, as when you try it, it's suitable for your skin, then continue using it. Okay, I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Don't forget to like this video, guys. Have you liked this video yet? Have you subscribed? I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.